Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll walk through how to assign a role to a user in the Fresa Global Application. First, log into the Fresa Global Application. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the home page. From here, navigate to the menu page. After clicking on it, the menu page will open. In the search bar, type Role Master and click on Search. From the results displayed, select Role Master to open the Role Master page. On this page, adjust the row count to 100 so you can view more roles at once. Next, under the desired role, click on the User option. This will open the role details page. Now, click on Add User List. The User Role Rights page will appear. Here, search for the user you want to assign to the role and select the user from the list. Once selected, click on Confirm. You will now be redirected back to the Role Details page, where you can see the selected user listed under the mapped users for that role. That's it. This is how you can assign a role to a user in the Fresa Global Application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.